In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a desktop shortcut for QuickBooks Online using Google Chrome on a Windows computer. This simple task will allow you to access your QuickBooks Online account more efficiently, saving you time and keeping your workflow smooth. First, let's open up Google Chrome. If it isn't already open, go ahead and find it on your taskbar or Start menu. Once you're in Chrome, navigate to the QuickBooks Online login page by typing or pasting qbointuit.com into the address bar and press Enter. Now, log in with your credentials, adding another layer of straightforwardness the next time you need to access your account in a hurry. Now direct your attention to the very top right corner of the Chrome window. Here you'll see 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the Chrome menu. Go ahead and click on these dots. This will open up a drop-down menu where you'll see a variety of options. Hover over More Tools to reveal another set of options. Among them, you'll find something called Create Shortcut. Click on Create Shortcut. A small window will pop up, prompting you to name your new shortcut. You might want to name this shortcut something intuitive like QuickBooks Online, so you know exactly what it's for at a glance whenever you see it on your desktop. Now, an optional step comes up. You'll notice a small checkbox that says Open as Window. If you check this box, QuickBooks will open in a new, clean window without the usual browser tabs and controls, giving it a more app-like feel. This is purely optional, but it can create a more dedicated workspace atmosphere if that's what you prefer. After you've named your shortcut and decided on the Open as Window option, click the Create button. Congratulations! You'll see that a new icon has been placed on your desktop. This shortcut is your immediate gateway to QuickBooks Online. You can now double-click this icon whenever you want to bypass the hassle of going through the browser search each time. It's as simple as that. By following these steps, you've made your QuickBooks Online access faster and more efficient, making it something you can open instantly with just a click. This little shortcut could save you precious seconds in your day, which can add up in the long run, boosting your productivity. Keep this technique in mind whenever you find yourself needing quick access to web applications. Chrome's capability to create shortcuts can be a real time saver. Thanks for listening, and I hope this quick tip makes your day-to-day operations just a little bit easier.